Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Edimakor v3.7.0 just dropped, and it's packed with upgrades that'll make your jaw drop. Let's dive straight into every new feature. AI Face Swap lets you replace faces in photos, videos, or even GIFs with just a few clicks. Whether you want to turn yourself into a movie character or create hilarious memes with friends, this tool handles up to 4 faces at once, no time limits. Type your idea and watch AI transform it into a video instantly. Choose between custom mode or using ready-made templates such as cute pet videos, landscape videos, and sci-fi videos. Edit videos as easily as editing text. Automatically generate subtitles. Then delete silent pauses or awkward moments with one click. It's perfect for editing interview videos, vlogs, or movie clips. Unlock new effects with linear, mirror, circle, rectangle, star, heart, and even text-shaped masks. Use them to remove watermarks, create split screens, or add cinematic intros like a pro. Download Edimakor v3.7.0 now, link in the description. Smash that like button if you're excited. Subscribe for more tips. And tell us in the comments which feature you'll try first. Keep creating magic with Edimakor, and see you in the next video.